Hello, my name is Charlie, and I'm glad that you're joining me. This video kicks off a series dedicated to learning Excel, modeling, and a variety of topics centered around data analysis and decision making. Whether you're here to sharpen your skills or just looking for a better way to tackle everyday challenges and solve problems more effectively, these courses and mini courses are designed to help you level up one video at a time. In case you're curious about my background, I started my journey as a computer engineering major, spending some time as a software engineer before transitioning into management consulting. Along the way, I earned my MBA from Chicago Booth, and after spending over 8 years in consulting, I am here to share some of the things that I've learned along the way, helping you sharpen your problem solving skills and make the most out of everyday digital tools like Excel, which, despite all the fancy new tech and software we have, it still remains the backbone of the global economy. The one we all suddenly heard so much about in the events of 2020. By the way, that was 5 years ago. Let that sink in. With that out of the way, let's talk a bit about this mini course titled Next Level Productivity. And in case you are wondering, this is just an intro video for us to set expectations. This mini course has 3 parts, much like The Godfather or John R. Tolkien's masterpiece The Lord of the Rings, which, fun fact, he originally intended to be a single volume, and it's actually divided into 6 books, 2 volumes per book in the series, because Tolkien wasn't doing anything halfway. Anyway, back to our mini course. My goal is for you to pick a few practical skills that'll save you time and, in the process, make you the most interesting person in your department. That is, of course, if your department happens to be a one-person operation. We'll start off this mini course by talking about Monaco with all its riches and casinos. In the second video, we'll talk about St. Peter's Keys of Heaven and how they will open many doors for you. And we'll conclude this mini course by talking about no other than Sherlock Holmes. If you have no idea how this ties back to Excel productivity, I invite you to join me in the next video, which will hopefully clarify more answers than raise questions. Until next time, stay productive, stay awesome.